How to join Shake Shack rewards via desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want free perks and rewards from the Shake Shack, well in today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and out here, once you're inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, you can simply click on sign in and log in with your credentials. And once you are logged in, you can then just click on join rewards or verify your email if prompted to activate your membership. And once you do that, your Shake Shack rewards account tracks point from online and in-store orders and unlock exclusive offers and perks. And with that, just a pro tip is that you should always use the same email when ordering to make sure points are applied automatically. And that's it. That's how you can join Shake Shack rewards via desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.